Hi everybody, it's Chartsky. This is March 28, 2017, and I hope you've seen both the videos from March 27th already. Made some mistakes there late in the morning on the 27th, and I didn't want to repeat the same mistakes on the 28th, but at the same time we have to give ourselves a chance to catch price movements when they're not trending, and I think we did that. We did take a 10-tick loss in gold, and we had a couple of break-even trades in the S&P after hitting on a solid level of resistance, and then of course the EuroFX was in a little bit of a range, but we were patient. We waited. We did not overtrade on the 28th, and then just a little bit after 11 the markets opened up a little bit, and so here are the trades toward the end of the session as they were called and managed in the live trading room. All right, we're getting a turn in the S&P, so 42 will be the buy in the S&P to make new highs. 57 is the sell in gold. There we go, 3 points in the S&P, by the way. New highs. Could have to come down in gold. 109, 110 is the sell in the euro. 109, I'm sorry, 109, 100. 109, 100. 16 ticks all out. Still waiting on crude to push up and give us our 15. Whoops, I got that one off. 16 ticks all out. In our euro, I'm going to come down 2 ticks in gold. 156.8. 156.8. Come on, come on. Come down another one. 156.7. We need a quick fill because it's going to drop. 156.6. I'll come down to 156.5, and that's as far as I go in gold. If we missed it, we missed it. All right, we're in gold. 15 doesn't look good. Let's just take 10 ticks out of gold. I don't think we're going to get 15. Maybe sorry that I didn't wait up there, but $16 ticks is the target in the euro all out. 3 points is the target in the S&P all out. In crude oil, we're looking for 15 ticks. Let it catch its second wind. Very frustrating morning. But if it ends good like this, then it's fine. Sometimes you have to be really patient. And we've talked about how very poor price action has been this morning. We were even thinking about coming back for an afternoon session if we had to, but if these guys pan out, we won't have to. 10 ticks in gold. All I'm doing is looking to do is erase that small loser. Well, whoops, wrong dome, sorry. In the S&P, that's not what we're doing yet. All right, we got to watch crude oil. If it can't break up here, we're going to have to just take 10 ticks. On a retest of the high, we'll go to break even. This high. That's the high of the session. On a retest of that, and if you can't get up there and test it pretty quick, we're just going to take 10. All right, it's time to fish or cut bait crude oil. Gold is not doing anything for us, is it? All right, here we go. Come on, push. Get on up there. All right, it's tested the high. Let's go to break even in the crude oil trade. +1 in crude oil. It hit on the target, and we got the S&P. They're all kind of happening fast, and that's okay. +1 in crude. If it comes under 65 again, we're going to take just 10 ticks. Okay, be ready to take just 10 out of crude if it can't push up through the target here and comes back under 65. We need to get 10 out of it. All right, we got it. 15. Let's watch gold. That's the one I'm most concerned with. Break even in the euro. And if gold can't get down right quick, we're going to just take a tick and close it. Should be coming down, and it's not. Break even in gold. That way we don't have to worry about it. Come on. Oh, we had to wait and we had to be patient. We got 15 ticks out of crude oil. So we've erased the 10 tick gold loss one way or the other. +1 in the euro. We got a 3-point trade finally on a break in the S&P. Should have had 3 points on this guy right here, and again, that's on me, but I would have done it that same way probably 9 times out of 10. Come on, euro. It's hitting on us, but computers are jumping in front of us. Oh, come on. We've been there long enough. We ought surely we ought to be out by now. There we go. +1 in gold. We'll cover cost and commissions. Got a really good one. That's the second day in a row. We got a good one in the euro. And let's just wait on gold, see if it won't come on down. Icing on the cake. Remember, I've been telling you all morning that these markets are not going to stay trapped in these little ranges. We kept our powder dry for the most part. And wound up with pretty decent morning. It might be even better if we can get this gold to squeeze out 10 little ticks. Well, stuff's all scrunched up. This is the one right there that did burn it. Sorry about that. Let's take 5 ticks in gold right now. We'll be out. Should be pretty quick. Icing on the cake. It's just not moving. So, what was a slow morning? Remember, we said this guy breaks out to the upside, we want to be buyers, and Man Alive just took off. But we still managed to get 15 ticks out of it. We waited. We waited. We were thinking about this when it got past going with the SR level. We got 3 points out of this. We got a full 16 tick trade on that and 5 ticks, but it's just, gold is just disappointing today. So anyway, great morning. Took us a while. Sometimes it takes a few minutes. Sometimes we have to plug away, but we'll see if there's any questions. If there are, we'll deal with them. And otherwise, that's it for this morning. Okay, there you have it. We did not overtrade on the 28th. We did not make the same mistake twice. We try not to ever do that. We were patient. We were disciplined. We were there. I know one guy left and he missed every one of these trades. You can't dictate when the market's going to move. All you can do is be ready and then take your trades and manage the trades that you take. I do want you to notice in gold that price spiked down. So, gosh, in hindsight, we should have taken 15 ticks for the target. We should have at least taken 10. We took 5 because price was not moving at the time. And I think in the long run, we do a lot better taking what the market's given us and then moving on to the next trade. So on this day, when the market was slow, when we had to stay patient and disciplined, we got the daily profit target plus by a long shot. Looks to me like actually it was an add-on day. Now that I look at it, didn't seem like an add-on day at the time, and I guess that's because all the trades kind of happened at the end. But it was a really good day. Here's the CFTC disclaimer. It's very important, and I urge you to read it. And if you're interested in joining us, you can visit my blog at www.chartsky.com. If you want to send me an email with any questions, send it to chartskytrades@gmail.com. And thanks for watching.
Let's roll. Hey, let's be careful out here.